Hey guys, this is so weird to say. This is the last Utah Studies video. Oh my gosh, this will be your last Utah Studies assignment. I know you're cheering so loud right now. Oh man, I can't believe it. It has been a crazy year. Sorry, I'm getting a little emotional. Thank you for those who sent me such kind notes and like chats and stuff about someone who passed away in my family. My nephew passed away on Monday, so um the he my family lives in Kansas, near the Kansas City area, and that's where he was living. So we're still working on details with everything going on with that. So that's why responding to emails is not right away sometimes because I'm having to take care of some family business and stuff like that, which I'm sure you guys understand. Grading wise, I'm going to try to stay on top of that. I already graded everything earlier this week, I think on Monday or Tuesday. I'm sorry, the days are kind of a blur, but I will grade some more stuff this weekend. We're hoping to have a lot of things graded. I know a lot of people turned in their Let's Give a Hoot project um, or re-shared that. So I'll be going through those and grading those again this weekend. We're having our team meeting tomorrow. So Mr. Sawyer and Miss Valerio and I will talk about the Vietnam project and all that great stuff. And also we'll talk about doing like an end of the year social activity, kind of let you guys be able to get online and maybe do a Zoom conference call. And we'll probably have to divide up into two groups, like our morning, like first, second, and fourth, and then our fifth, sixth, and seventh class periods. We'll probably have to do something like that because we can only have up to 100 people on there. But if you're interested in that, I'll send out details about that on Friday. I'll post it on Canvas, and then I'll send you guys an email about that too. I can't believe we're almost done, guys. So today you're going to be working on your last assignment, and it's a really fun one. I'm excited for you to do this one. After I explain the assignment to you today, guys, I'll go over some missing work things, what you need to focus on, and then I'll have my final message for you guys, which is really weird to say. But okay, so you're going to do life on the home front, and you're going to learn about the hippie movement. So when you go into the Google Doc, it'll talk about the hippies, kind of like life in their life during this time. Then you'll also get to read a little bit about Woodstock, which is the music concert during this time, and then you'll also be able to listen to Jimi Hendrix play the Star Spangled Banner, this is one of the like defining musical moments of the decade. Like this is something that people always talk about, and Jimi Hendrix was an amazing guitarist, and he was left-handed as well. So I'm like, I love him because he's left-handed, and I'm left-handed too. So I'm like, woo woo, way to go, Jimi Hendrix, represent. So that is what you're going to be working on today. Now, missing work is all due on the 29th. Everything should be unlocked on Canvas, so you should be able to go through and make up anything that you're missing. Any tests that you take, make sure you email me so that I know, because Canvas and Master Connect both don't send me little like updated things that, oh, by the way, so and so took their test. So please make sure you email me, because that's 80% of your grade, and I want to make sure I give you credit for that. Otherwise, Canvas notifies me, so you're fine. Sometimes on this discussion, like the progressive error discussion, that gets a little wonky, and sometimes it emails me and tells me somebody submitted a new comment. Sometimes it doesn't. So I don't really get that all the time. So maybe double check on that part too. All right. So again, everything should be unlocked in modules. Really focus on the assessments, the test. If you haven't taken a test, you want to make sure you do that. There's not one on the Cold War, but just so you know, all the test codes should still be good. You can always do the quizzes and review as many times as you want, and then you can go and take the retake as many times as you want. So remember, make sure you take the test, because that is the biggest part of your grade. All right, so Now, guys, man, I am just, I'm excited that it's going to be summertime. I am so sad not to see you guys. Sorry, I'm getting emotional again. um, I have loved teaching you guys, and just have I love Utah Studies and I love being able to teach you, and I wish that we would have got time to say goodbye to each other in person or for me to sign your yearbooks. So I'm going to have a little thing that you can put in your yearbook, like from me, if you're interested in that. I'll put it on Canvas and maybe I'll send that out with the Zoom thing too. And then, what was the other thing? Um, I hopefully will see some of you guys at South Hills next year, and then those of you who are going to Ochre and to Hidden Valley, feel free to stop by anytime and to say hello and goodbye and have that wrap up. Also, I'm going to be teaching ninth grade next year, guys. Man, so I'm going to be teaching geography next year. So I'll still be at South Hills. I'll just be teaching not 7th grade, which is really weird for me because I taught 7th grade for so long. So that will be exciting. But just know that I really miss you guys. I'm really sad that we don't get to say goodbye in person, but it's been I love teaching you guys, and I hope that you have a great summer, that you're staying safe, and that I hope to see you out there, and that that you guys just have a great summer. Okay, and hopefully I'll see some of you guys at the checkout times. All right, have a great day, guys.